Hi, my name is Tan Young, and I'm an SEO engineer with TPG, and today I will show you how to use HttpFox, which is an HTTP analyzer that's used by SEOs and web analytics professionals. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Firefox add-on site, search for HttpFox, and add it to Firefox. It may require a restart. Once you've installed it, you'll see this blue logo with yellow arrows around it, and you can toggle this pane. The important parts of the menu are the start and stop, so that it will start watching the different HTTP requests and responses that are being sent between your browser and somebody else's web server. So we make sure that we start it. If there's any information that it may have been tracking, I like to clear it out so that it's a little bit easier to read. You can also take off auto scroll, which I highly recommend because otherwise it's very manic with the amount of different requests that you're making. To turn that off, let's clear everything out. And then we get a lot of detailed information, which I'll go through down in those tabs. So let's start off. I'm going to go to statefarm.com. And what I see here as an SEO is the type of HTTP response that is given by their web server. So my browser requested http statefarm.com, and their web server responded with a 301 move permanently to https www.statefarm.com. These 301 permanent redirects are the types of redirects that SEOs love to see because they pass link value, which is a very important concept when you want to try to optimize your site for search engines. Essentially, all the link value that used to be with this potential URL is getting passed to this URL, which is something great to see. What's not so great is if I take off the secure part of the URL, suddenly we see a 302 redirect, which is a temporary redirect, and it means that the link value that is meant for this URL stays there and it doesn't get passed along to the site. That's a major obstacle as far as SEO is concerned. Another thing that we like to look at are some of the analytics. So I happen to know that State Farm is using Site Catalyst. So Site Catalyst usually has their tracking pixel in this subdirectory, BSS. And I can filter this. I can also filter out PNGs. I can filter out CSS. All those different things are filtered out in this window. So again, we'll look at what's in this subdirectory, and here's the tracking pixel. So what I can do now is actually look at the things that are being passed into Site Catalyst. I can see all the values that are in the cookies that Site Catalyst has set. I can also see what's in the query string, things like what is Site Catalyst calling this page. They have custom events and variables tracking certain things on the site. So those are the sorts of things that you can keep track of or be made aware of that the State Farm site is tracking you for and what information is being passed. We can also see what's in the post data, and that is important for this reason. Let's actually go through and try to set up a quote. I want to make sure that I clear out this filter so that I'm not filtering any of the information that we have. And just to make this a little bit more clear, I'm going to clear out any of the old requests and responses. So we fill out my name. My name is John Smith. I live on 123 Main Street, Philadelphia. And I was born on January 1st, 1900. Once I hit continue, there's going to be a post event that fired. And we can see all the different values that State Farm is collecting and sending as far as the forms that I have. some interesting things are that they have a regional office set up for, I guess, my location, so that they'll know exactly where to send me, what's the best spot. And they have a lot of other information, but we can actually see that now because we have HttpFox. So once again, those are the major features of HttpFox. It's a great tool for SEOs and web analytics professionals alike. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much.